letting the chickens out this morning. Watch out, Clay. Woo! Couple turkeys in there. We'll get their water, but I'm gonna check for eggs first. Two eggs over here. Three. Nice. 3 eggs this morning. That's great. Daily video number 63 here on the Costa Rican ranch. And all the neighbors this morning are worried about the mountain lion that killed a calf to our neighbors at our neighbor's farm. And we knew about this mountain lion 2 or 3 weeks ago, but we haven't seen it and heard of anything since a couple weeks. We putting them in there?
Well, we're gonna leave that open so they can drink water.
Oh, okay. There's the bowl. Missing one? Oh.
6. And over there, I got 2.
I don't know. Where are we moving these guys?
I'm just trying to get the black cow to the corral.
Oh, okay.
Maybe hopefully that little white one.
Okay. Yep.
Come here, girl. Oh. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Yeah. Come here, girl. Yeah.
We're going somewhere?
His skin's looking a lot better.
Oh, yeah.
A lot better.
Not very fat.
Yeah. Pooping. Healthy poop.
Yeah.
Are we moving the Angus to the corral because she's going to have a baby soon?
No, because we're going to put those other cows in here. If we put them in here with her,
Okay.
they're going to start drinking the milk.
Yeah, that'd be a problem.
Yeah, we've had them separated this whole time. They haven't gotten back to each other anyway. It was a pain in the butt. It took me a long time to get them to stop flipping to each other.
Here comes the newborn. He's looking pretty good. Okay. I can let him in now. Angus and calf are separated. Hey, buddy. Oh, he can barely reach in there. He's getting it, though.
Alright, take her down here.
Yeah.
It's hard to see how high it is up there.
Yeah.
These I call them widow milkers. The branches go straight down.
Yeah. Well,
Way up to the cut this little stuff here. Right, you have to go up there. Cut the in. Oh, oh.
She knows where to go.
Yeah, that's what she thought it said.
Oh,
Where she started.
okay.
Been going through this for years. Alright. Well, better go close that gate.
Big Brahman bull coming in for some salt and molasses. Sounds like a mythical beast.
I was in here yesterday, but all
Wow, yeah, they made a good spot
that.
in that grass. Yep,
There's nothing else to eat.
yeah, the weeds.
Relax.
Yeah. With with that Mama Angus, have you ever had any like heat issues or any problems, especially being in Costa Rica in this heat?
They don't like it. No, they don't like the heat. It's hot and dry there in the shade. Other cows are all eating. They don't. They're not active.
Has she ever gotten sick or anything to where you had to fix her up?
Yeah, she got real skinny before. I had to give her medicine and an IV.
Okay.
Dry season's tough. You don't give them a little bit of extra because there's no food. And it's like the neighbor. Even I had a problem with the neighbor's cow. I had a whole big field in the back. Not a field, but lots of grass back there. And the neighbor's cows had broke the fence and got in there, and they ate all of it. So when it was time to move my cows in there was nothing in there.
Mm.
So that you got all sorts of problems like that. If you're trying to save a field and the cows break the fence, start eating the field, I'd get them out.
So with the Angus, you definitely gotta give them a little bit more food during the dry season.
Yeah, if you're not got good green grass that's growing.
Yeah.
Yeah, but they like to eat those seeds. They'll go nuts for the seeds. They'll eat all the seeds.